The Watson family finally arrives in beautiful Costa Rica for their very first summer vacation. The sky is so blue, and the coconut trees are taller than our house.
I want to climb them and find some fresh juice for our big jungle adventure.
This backpack is very heavy because it has all our camping gear and heavy tools.
Do not worry, Dad. We will find hidden treasures to make the bag feel light.
Anna is right. This island is full of magic and many wonderful secret places.
I am ready for the adventure, but first, we must find our colorful hotel.
Welcome to the Grand Hotel.
We're so excited to have you join us.
Everything is so colorful here. The walls are pink and the doors are bright yellow.
It is nice to meet you too. We are very happy to stay at this beautiful hotel.
Look at that sparkly stone fountain in the middle of the big hotel garden.
I see something shining near the water. It looks like a very special golden gift.
Be careful near the water, Anna. We do not want your purple vest to get wet.
Look! Look! This lucky charm from the ancient tribe was waiting for us by the fountain.
That is a beautiful gift for a brave little explorer like you, my dear Anna.
I will keep it safe in my pocket and use its magic to find treasure.
Now let us go to our room and prepare for our great Costa Rican adventure.
Welcome to our magic room. Look at the golden light on the floor.
This room is very large, and the sun is very bright today.
I love this soft bed. I want to jump high like a frog.
Please be careful on the bed, because we need to sleep later.
Outside the window, big green mountains touch the blue sky above us. I will open the suitcase and find our clean clothes for the trip.
Can I help you open the heavy bag? I am a strong girl.
Look! Look! I found your favorite teddy bear hiding inside your blue bag. The brown teddy bear has a red ribbon and very soft ears.
My teddy bear is finally here. I missed him very much today.
Now you have your best friend with you for our big adventure.
Oh. Look at the street. I can see many small cars and buses.
The cars are bright yellow and red. They move quickly on the road. The houses are also many colors, like a beautiful rainbow in the city.
Costa Rica is a very colorful place with many wonderful things to see.
The family looks out the window and feels very happy in their room.
I am ready to explore the forest with my map and my bear.
The sun shines on the family as they start their great adventure.
The family sits at a beautiful wooden table under the bright sun in the tropical garden.
Look at these amazing plates of fruit that smell like sweet flowers and fresh summer rain.
Oh, I can smell the pineapples and the mangoes from here, and they smell very delicious today.
We should try the local food because it is a very important part of our big adventure.
A friendly waiter brings a special plate with a very bright and yellow dragon fruit for Anna.
This fruit looks like a small yellow star, and it is full of tiny black seeds inside.
It is very soft and sweet, and it tastes like a mix of kiwi and golden honey.
I am glad you like the dragon fruit, but now you must try this hot, crunchy empanada.
The bread is very crispy on the outside, and the cheese inside is warm and very salty.
Eating new food is like a discovery for your mouth, and it makes our holiday more fun.
Look over there near the big palm tree. A very colorful bird is coming to visit us.
The bird has bright blue feathers and a long tail that looks like a rainbow in flight.
The bird lands on a branch close to the table and looks at the family with curiosity.
Do you think the bird wants to taste a small piece of my sweet yellow dragon fruit?
Maybe the bird likes fruit, but we should just watch it and be very quiet and still.
It is a wonderful day to sit outside and see the beautiful nature of this tropical land.
I love this place because the food is tasty and the animals are very friendly to us.
The family continues their meal while the sun shines brightly over the green trees and flowers.
The family enters a colorful souvenir shop filled with interesting things and many beautiful local crafts.
Look at these wooden maracas. They make a very loud and exciting sound when I shake them.
That is a very nice Latin rhythm, Anna. It makes me want to dance right now.
I can play this instrument for our friends when we go back to our big home tomorrow.
Look at this giant straw hat. It is very big and has many bright yellow ribbons on it.
Where am I? I am hiding under this giant hat and nobody can see my orange hair. Peekaboo. I gotcha.
Oh, you sure did.
Peekaboo.
I found you under that funny hat, and you are a very silly and funny girl, Anna.
Come here and look at this soft poncho. It has many stunning bright colors, like a rainbow.
This warm poncho is very heavy because it is made of high-quality local wool from here.
The patterns on the fabric are very traditional, and they represent the history of this beautiful country.
I want to wear this poncho when it is cold because it feels very soft and cozy.
Look at these traditional dolls. They wear beautiful local dresses with many pretty red and blue flowers.
These dolls are very special because people make them by hand using old and very secret methods.
This doll has a very pretty dress. I think she looks like a princess from a story. I want to buy this doll so I can remember our wonderful trip to this tropical place.
Buying local crafts is a great way to help the kind people who live in this village.
The family chooses their favorite treasures and prepares for more adventures in this bright and sunny land.
The sun sets over the rainbow houses as the warm evening air fills the busy streets. We should walk slowly so we can enjoy the beautiful lights in this colorful little town tonight.
I love the night because the stars are bright and the air feels very fresh and cool.
The palm trees look like giant shadows against the dark blue sky while we walk together.
Watch me dance with my soft teddy bear under these pretty streetlights in the square. My teddy bear is very happy because he likes to travel to new places with our family.
Anna, you are moving very slowly, and your eyes are starting to look a little bit heavy.
It has been a very long day, and we have walked many miles through the green jungle.
I am not tired at all because I want to see more of this wonderful tropical place.
You just yawned a very big yawn, and that means it is time for us to rest.
Let me carry you on my shoulders so we can reach our hotel quickly and safely now. Hold onto my neck tightly while we walk past the sparkly stone fountains in the hotel garden.
Our hotel room is very comfortable, and the beds are soft for a long night of sleep.
Can you tell me a story about the colorful birds we saw in the trees today?
Good night, my little explorer. We will have another big adventure when the bright sun comes up tomorrow.
Sleep well and dream of green forests and all the amazing animals we found in the wild.
The tired family sleeps peacefully while the moon shines over the quiet and beautiful tropical village.